Hi there, my name is Steve Snapp with ISM. Wanted to thank you for taking a few minutes just to watch this brief video log about the ways that you can use information in your organization, in other databases and that sort of thing, to make your sales reps much more effective. The big idea that I'm going to share with you today is this idea of tapping into these other data sources using what we call integration. That it means it's a series of tools and or technology that allows you to extract data from other systems and bring it into your CRM in such a way that enables your reps to take advantage of that data. So one of the basic ideas is, how does this whole thing work? Well, the way that integration works is it allows you to connect with other data sources. So it allows you to pull financial information from your ERP system. It may allow you to pull order information from your order entry system. And the whole idea here is not to put more information in front of your sales reps, but it's to give them the data that they need when they need it so they can make better decisions. We always like to say that data is really useless unless it has interpretation to it. So in some of the screenshots that I'm going to share with you in just a second, you'll see how not only do we provide data to a sales rep, but we tell them what it means. I always say red bad, green good. So if something is something that a rep needs to pay attention to because it's a negative thing, like a negative sales trend or a product sale that's begun to drop off, we would show that information in red. Whereas if an account's growing and that the rep is being successful in growing that business, you'd want to show that in green. So the idea is not just to give the rep data, but it's to tell them this is something that's important for you to take action on, or frankly, it's something you don't need to worry about. The other thing that the value of data gives you is the ability to drive behavior. And we have some other video logs about dashboards and other things that you're certainly welcome to watch. But one of the ideas is that I want to be able to tell my rep, hey, this account is growing based on the way it should be growing, or this account is actually declining based on trends that we see. And so we want the rep to take action on that, meaning we want to drive behavior. So again, the goal is not to just give them a bunch of order data and a bunch of sales history. It's to tell them in their territory, this is what's happening, this is why it's happening, and this is what you need to do to make that turn into a positive thing, or to solve a negative trend or whatever it is. So again, I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes just to watch this. Again, my name is Steve Snapp. I'm with ISM. I'd like to offer any kind of consulting or any conversation that you'd like to have around CRM in general, or data integration and driving behavior in particular. Please feel free to send me an email or give me a call, or fill out our form, and I look forward to talking with you personally. Thank you. In this screen in Salesforce.com, you can see that we have brought information from other systems into the Salesforce.com environment. The idea here is that with the power of integration, you can access information from other places and bring it in very easily, frankly, into the Salesforce.com environment. One of the things you'll notice as I zero in on this screen is that we've provided, as I mentioned in my intro, interpretation for some of these issues. So in this case, we're showing a set of product families that have been purchased by this account, and we're showing key trends. And so in this case, red is bad and green is good. So if something's negative, you can see that we're demonstrating that with a red trend, and we're showing what's also positive. So in this particular case, it gives the rep the information they need to make decisions about how they're going to approach this account moving forward from a sales strategy point of view. And by providing them not only information but also giving them interpretation, we frankly have done the work for them. We've given them some insight into what's going on with this customer in a way that enables them to take action and move forward. So I'd like to just thank you for taking a few minutes to watch our video about integration and learning about some techniques that you can use to access information from other parts of your organization and to use that data in a way that enables your users to be more productive and more successful. If you have any questions whatsoever about how to use these techniques and these tools, please feel free to give me a call or an email, and we can talk at your convenience. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.